The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 1 for further details.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for east central Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over southeastern Lincoln, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Severe weather has been confirmed by law-confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near eastern Lincoln around 5 p.m. This includes Highway 2 in Nebraska near mile marker 466. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Nebraska,